Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box are 3 TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls. Just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. You can see the overall glossy black colour of the packaging with the white TK Maxx Treasure logo on it. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by opening the box flap at the top and tipping the balls out from the box packaging. And I'm just going to close the box back up, but of course checking to make sure that there's nothing else left in the box. We can set the box to the side, so setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the 3 TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls laid out across the tabletop, so there for you to see. Okay, and now just setting the other 2 balls down to the side and giving you a look at one of them up close, so we can see once again the TK Maxx Treasure logo on it, the diamond or gemstone with the glitter on the top of it. So the color of that logo is a bronzy gold color, and of course the golf ball is quite obviously white in color, as we can see right before us. And to give you some sense of the size of the golf ball, just resting it in my palm. And now taking a look at all 3 of the golf balls up close. So right there, all 3 TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls. With their TK Maxx Treasure logos in a bronzy gold finish or colour. So right there, that's the TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls. So those are the TK Maxx Treasure Rewards golf balls. Thanks for watching and happy golfing!